Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to use the Captions AI app on your mobile phone, whether you're a beginner or a pro. This app makes video editing super easy and convenient. First, open the Captions AI app on your phone. On the home page, you'll see all your saved projects. Tap Create to start a new project. Here, you'll find the multiple features including Caption a video. This, you can add AI generated captions automatically. You can also record a video where you can shoot and edit directly in the app. The Captions AI can also create AI creators. It can generate AI powered avatars. It can also edit with AI. The AI will let handle the transition, effects, and more. In this caption, AI can also use the teleprompter where you can read your script while recording. And also, it has a features of translate videos. It can convert speech to different language. The Captions AI offers a variety of powerful and easy to use editing tools to help you create a high quality content without complicated manual editing. Just explore the app and try out the different features and see what best for you. While many features are free, upgrading to Pro unlocks additional tools and export options. The choice is yours. And that's it. With Captions AI, the video editing is now easier and faster than ever before. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and follow for more tips. Thanks for watching.